afternoon and welcome once again to Thompson & Smith. And today we're very pleased to offer this Fiat Doblo 1.4 petrol 95 PS Mylife edition. It's a wheelchair accessible vehicle which we'll come to in a minute. I've got the vehicle ticking over already. We'll walk you down the driver's side of the vehicle. I'll just take you into the left side loading door. As you can see there, we've got the winch, the straps and the ramp, which we'll come to in a minute as we go around the back of the vehicle, and the third seat. Now the vehicle's done just under 14,000 miles from new, so very, very low. We'll come now to the rear. As I mentioned, we've got the ramp out already, so I'll just take you in for a bit of a close-up. It's very easy to use. Got the straps there and the winch, also the electric button here to show you the winch out. Just one press takes that forward. Very easy to use. Just work our way back out down the ramp. We come to the near side rear. And just take you into the near side rear wheel. All the wheels and tyres are in excellent condition. Let me show you the near side rear door and the third seat as we mentioned. All in excellent condition as you expect at the mileage. So I'll come to the near side front view. I'll show you front fogs. I'll just take you around, just take you to the cab itself. And we'll see electric windows and mirrors. So the interior in great condition. Let's just jump in. Just show you the dash there, 13978, that's all it's done from brand new. We work our way across, radio and CD, the all important air conditioning. It is a 5-speed manual box, and of course the all important cup holder. It has got an armrest for the driver's seat. And I've got the service book open here. There's loads of service history. Now it is due another service and MOT, which we would do on purchase. It also comes with a 6-month nationwide RAC warranty. We'll just work our way out for one last look. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, you ring myself Tom or any of the sales team on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.